I'm Benjamin. Let's guide you how to use Adbaye. On the home screen you get welcome to website, on the browse Advale page you get news, information, subvayas and much more. Thank you for watching. Our website is under development and will soon be available for use.